How to make lower thirds title. To begin, I added a clip to my timeline that I would like to add a lower third to it. Select the Type tool, then click anywhere and type a text. Now press Ctrl+A to select the whole text, and go to Effect Controls panel. Expand the text and set the properties of the text for your desire. You also can select a part of text and set the properties of that particular part. Now add a black background and increase opacity and offset. Now select Move tool and drag the text to lower left corner. In Effect Controls, decrease the first position value so the text move to outside of screen. Now make sure time head is at start of the text and click on stopwatch next to position to create a keyframe. Now move the time head to where you want your text to be fully visible and increase the position first value, so the text is fully visible on screen. Now move the time head to where you want to start hiding text and click on this circle to create a keyframe with current values. At last, move the time head to where you want the text to be fully hidden and click on first keyframe. Press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. To create a smoother animation, select the two first keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Temporal Interpolation and Ease In. Do the same for the last two keyframes except that select Ease Out. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.